What's up, guys? We are back here at the swap land with the Camaro, man. We finally about to get this thing cleaned up, man. I was thinking about, and it was just a thought, taking the wheels off of there, man, and throwing them on here, and taking the stocks and throwing them back on there. Because honestly, I done had these rims and did it so many times because I really want to go, like, have this car to go fast, get it all like raced out type, and you can't really do that with 22, so it'll be better for me to just get like a nice drag pack and focus on what I really want to focus on with that car. Take those wheels off, put them on here, and sell them with the car for a little bit more. That way I sell the rims that I've been wanting to sell, and I sell the car a little bit faster. So I think that's what I'm gonna do. Probably gonna get this thing cleaned up before we even throw the wheels on there. We got some red paint, so we'll paint the calipers red. We'll get that thing cleaned up, probably come back, swap the wheels out, probably take it to the house. Alrighty, guys, let's try to start this thing up. First start of the day. Starting it right up. Let it warm up for a little bit, I guess. We're gonna head to the car wash, get this thing all cleaned out, because as you see, it's just super dirty. We'll see what we need and we don't need when we get there. We are floating through traffic here, just about at the car wash. We haven't had any technical issues yet. It's driving fairly decent. However, we came here, the brakes kind of scrubbing. But I mean, other than that, you guys know the steering wheel is pretty stiff. We're about to get this thing washed up, man, finally. So we made it to the car wash, man. This thing is freaking filthy. You see, we got the glass top getting scrub-a-dub-dub, and I'm hoping we don't get no leaks or we don't stop or run out of gas inside this car wash here. This be the best part when you get to clean it out and stuff, honestly, to me. Let's hope we get no leaks, guys. Alrighty, guys, so we got this thing cleaned up finally. Man, it knocked a bunch of dirt off that thing. So now you can honestly picture it with the wheels on there. It'll look a lot better. It does look good now. We got to get that inside to look just as good. So we're just going to do a quick before and after. You guys see what it looked like now. Just horrible. Got stuff and junk everywhere, man. So we'll get this thing all cleaned out. Alrighty, guys, so we got this thing, man, as good as we can get. You guys should see the inside looks a lot better, and I haven't even cleaned the seats or nothing. I literally just vacuumed it out. But man, this thing looks really good back here. That thing was just filthy all up along and down the sides. Still got a little crevices to get to up in here, but we also got under the seat back there because that was like dirty too. We still got to wipe this down and get it clean, but even that side looks really good too. I'll take you around and let you see. But you guys see this side look real good as well. Couple stains, but literally no trash, so that's a plus, man. We're gonna get this inside like detailed up, but we gotta get some gas, and I didn't want to keep having the doors open and this thing like not start on me. So now that I know it started, we can grab some gas and finish off the detail right over there. Alrighty, guys, we made it back to the swap land, man. This thing is looking that much better, really, really clean. I just give you guys an all-around look. We got to get this little sticker off the window there with some with a blade, but other than that, man, this thing is running good, sounding good, feeling even better, and the inside is looking really good as well. I'll give you guys a quick peek. You guys see that interior on this joint, nice black or gray leather rather. The back seats is clean. I just got all this junk back there, but literally this thing looks that much better, man. Gotta get a radio for the inside, and that's pretty much it. We're probably about to go load these wheels up at the house and come back and swap these out, then take the car home, man. Done. He just got the Malibu started up with the LT1 swap on it. Just like that, huh? Oh, you got fuel. Got some fuel. Man, y'all know it must be clean if I'm riding with the tops off in this joint, man. We got the T-tops off. On our way to the house to grab the other wheels so I can fill this thing up with tires, take them back, go swap them out. Man, this thing is looking good, running good. Seems pretty fair, man. Alrighty, guys, 4 tires later. It's another one in the far back there, loaded up, tops off, and we back on the road, man. I'm tired. Guys, we are cruising, man. We all in here locked and loaded like some sardines. Big chillin', damn near back at the swap land, man. No issues or nothing so far, so that's a good sign. Again, it's really just the steering. If we had that, this thing would be perfect, and I wouldn't even want to sell it. But yeah, that's all it is right now. Alrighty, guys. Made it back to the swap land, man. Got all the tires, so now we gotta take those off. Put these on there and then put those on here. So let's get her done, man. Let's figure out what'll be the best route to go. But we are cleaned up nicely, man. What y'all thinking so far, man? It's running pretty good. And just like that, we got the stock wheels back on the Camaro. Took the 4Gs off. This thing is still looking good. I can't even front. I still like it, man. We might even go to the racetrack tonight, but took the 4Gs off. We're gonna put them on the Camaro, man. Let's get it. So y'all see that, man? We took all the wheels off. Back wheel does not fit. It's supposed to be the same bolt pattern, but I guess this is not the same bolt pattern apparently.
Because you got them drilled on there, it will not be exactly the
Let's try that back wheel right there. That's that, man. So much for throwing them things right on the line. So it was supposed to be sitting like this on them things, man. But unfortunately, they don't fit. They might be the same bolt pattern, but they're just a little bit off. So like I said, these might be the 4.75s. So unfortunately, we're not gonna be able to be 4G riding in the 2000 Camaro, man. So yeah, I think I'm just gonna go throw these back on the Camaro. I don't know. I might keep them off for a couple days. We'll see. I'm not really sure, man. Alrighty, guys, that looks like that's gonna be a wrap for today's video, man. We got the rims switched back on the car, got these wheels back on there, got this thing loaded up with the wheels once again. So I don't know, I guess off to the house, final destination for the next few days. We got the car cleaned up though. We got it looking a little better. And it's feeling a little better in here, that's for sure. So we're gonna go drop this thing off once and for all. If you haven't already, please like, comment, and subscribe to the channel, man. I appreciate you guys tuning in. We rolling right now with the glass tops, though.